Let's complete the next three questions, and then I want to talk about some patterns that we're going to see. So 8 NCR 6 is going to be 28. 8 NCR 8 is going to be 1. And 8 NCR 1 is going to be 8. So if we look at 8 NCR 2 and 8 NCR 6, they both have the same value. They're both equal to 28. So let's look at these values on a number line. So 0 to 8, and let's put 2 and 6. So 2 is the same distance away from 0 as 6 is from 8. So they're the same value away from the highest and the lowest value. Let's look at 8 choose 0 and 8 choose 8. So these are actually the endpoints themselves, and they both have the same value. So looking at 8 choose 1, 0 being the lowest, 8 being the highest, 1 would be here. To get a matching value to 8 NCR 1, you would actually use 8 NCR 7. And that would be equal to 8 as well.